somebody says some words which are not very pleasant for the waker. I'll take an example. Suppose I become Ekta. I assume the identity of Ekta. Spiritual participants address Ekta as Didi. Didi means sister in English. Merely a sound, just a sound wave with zero meaning. Zero meaning. If I get attached to this waker called Ekta and I develop an attachment to the word Didi, I am converting that zero into illusory one. It is actually simply sound. I have attached some attraction to the appellation or the title Didi. What will happen when the grey hair appear? The title Didi progresses from Didi to Amma. It transforms from sister to mother. And if I'm very attached to the waker, there will be a poke to the Didi wave, which is now replaced by the Amma wave. Do you see that? That poke kindles agitation. Why? Again, the jijivisha, the craving to exist, to be, does not like change. Change implies arising of a wave and falling. So there is that gap. That gap is not tolerated by the jijivisha. I give you a simple material world sound that affects you. Apply it in your personal examples. Aham Brahmasmi is a sound and Amma is a sound. Attachment to both keeps one bound to the waker in the waking state and prevents one from realization of being Turiya,